We've used Clark a couple of times now on some projects around the house. We've had them remodel 3 bathrooms, replace some windows. First heard of them from some friends who had used them and were very happy with them. We had been thinking about getting our deck redone. We have a beautiful view and we really didn't feel like we were taking advantage of it. This was a complicated project. It was a long project, but we worked very closely with our project manager. He was able to minimize the impact on our life. The deck we really wanted to have available this summer, which meant working through the winter. Working with the project manager, we were able to get a lot of the work done that typically you couldn't get done in the winter. It's a great space for entertaining. We have the area for relaxing. You have the bar, you can have some drinks while the chef is cooking, and then we can move over to the dining area, be able to have meals out here. Working with Clark, they were reliable. The process that Clark goes through in the design phase and in reviewing the project really help avoid surprises. A lot of it comes in thorough planning. That investment that you make up front pays off in the end. And in doing that, we were able to really get 3 different spaces for 3 different purposes.